Hi guys, welcome on my channel Crochet with Jana. Today I'm going to show you another number. This is going to be number 3. So the size is very similar to our previous ones. It measures about 2 inches. So you can easily see that all numbers are quite the same size. So we've got number 1, 2 and this time number 3. For this project again I'm going to use crochet hook size 1.5 millimeters and cotton thread in size 10. So again, if you would like to make this project bigger, you can use the bigger thread or even yarn and the bigger crochet hook size. So let's get started. Our work, we are going to start by making slip knot, then chain of 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. So now into the second chain stitch from our hook we have to work single crochet, then 1 single crochet in next 2 stitches, 1 and 2. So we've got 3 single crochets in a row, and now we are going to work 18 chain stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So basically this part is a middle of our number 3. And now we are going to start first row. So into the second chain stitch from our hook we have to work 1 single crochet, then into the next one 1 single crochet as well. Into the third 2 single crochets, 1 and 2, then into the next one 1 single crochet, then again 2 single crochets into the next, 1 and 2, then 1 single crochet into the next, then again 2 single crochets into the next, 1 and 2, 1 single crochet in next, and again 2 single crochets into the next one, 1 and 2, then into the next 4 chain stitches we have to work 1 single crochet in each stitch. So 1, then into the next one 2, into the next one 3, and into the next one 4. Into the next stitch 2 single crochets in one stitch, so 1 and 2. Then into the next 3 stitches, so here you have to make sure that you insert the crochet hook directly into the chain stitch, otherwise you will miss one chain stitch. So 1, 2. If you are not able, just work 2 single crochets instead of 3, or work extra single crochet in space when we've done 2 single crochets, because now into our last we have to just grab the yarn and then we have to go directly to the chain stitch after single crochet, and we need to grab the yarn as well. When we've got 3 loops on our hook we can finish the stitch, which is 2 single crochets together now, and we have to so maybe I said wrong, because basically not 3 single crochets, so the number of stitches, so we've got 1, 2, 3 chain stitches, and after 2 single crochets in one stitch we should have 2, so 1 and 2, not 3. And then we need to grab the yarn from the last chain space before 3 single crochets, and then grab the yarn with chain space after 3 single crochets, and we have to work through all 3 loops, which is 2 single crochets together. And now into the next 2 chain stitches 1 single crochet, 1 and 2, then into the next one 2 single crochets, 1 and 2. in next 4 chain stitches, 1 single crochet in each. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then in next one, 2 single crochets, 1 and 2, 1 single crochet in next one, then 2 single crochets in next, 1 and 2, 1 single crochet in next, then 2 single crochets in next, 1 single crochet in next, then 2 single crochets in next one more time, 1 and 2, and into our last 2 we have to work 1 single crochet in each. So 1 and into the last one, 1 single crochet as well. So this is our first row, and so at the moment this is not similar to anything, but in a minute I'm going to show you how to do the round, so to show the little bit more shape of number 3. And now we are going to start our round. So we have to start by making chain of 1, then we need to turn our work. In our first 2 single crochets we have to work 1 single crochet in each, 1 and 2, then into the next one, 2 single crochets in one stitch, 1 and 2. Now into the next one, 1 single crochet and 2 single crochets in next, 1 and 2, 1 single crochet in next, then 2 single crochets in one, 1 and 2. Now 1 single crochet in next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, then 2 single crochets in one, 1 and 2. Now 1 single crochet in next 2, 1 and 2, and 2 single crochets in one, 1 and 2, 1 single crochet in next, then 2 single crochets in one, 1 and 2, then 1 single crochet in next 4 single crochets, 1, 2, 3 and 4, single crochet in next, so now we should have 2 single crochets between 2 single crochets together in our previous row. So we have to insert crochet hook into the first, then grab the yarn, insert crochet hook into the next and grab the yarn. Now we're supposed to insert crochet hook into the 2 single crochets together, then grab the yarn, single crochet into the next, then grab the yarn, and then, so this is the first single crochet after 2 single crochets together, and then into the second single crochet as well. So we should have 6 loops on our hook, and now we can work through all 6. So we've got 5 single crochets together. Now single crochet in next, then 2 single crochets in one, so 1 and 2, into the next 4 single crochets, 1 single crochet in each, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 2 single crochets in next, 1 and 2, single crochet, 1 single crochet in next, then 2 single crochets again, 1 and 2, into the next 2 stitches, 1 single crochet in each stitch, so 1 and 2, then 2 single crochets in 1, 1 and 2, then once again 1 single crochet in next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, then 2 single crochets in 1, 1 single crochet in next, then 2 single crochets in 1, and at the end we should work 1 single crochet in our last 2 single crochets, 1 and 2. So this is it at the moment. In a minute I will go back to you to show you what we have to do on our other side. So now at the moment we are on the right side of our number 3, but now we have to work our middle part. So now you have to start our second part. So basically into the same stitch as we've done our last single crochet, we are going to work 4 more single crochets. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and now into the next single crochet 1 single crochet. So the next single crochet, we would say that this is the any next one which you are able to see. So I'm going to show you the pattern, but it doesn't have to be exactly the same, so because you can have 1 stitch less or 1 stitch more. So just continue with the pattern as I am doing, and we will see what happened at the end. So you've got 1 single crochet, then in next 2 we have to work 2 single crochets together. So we need to grab the yarn 1 and then grab the yarn 2. 3 loops, we can finish the stitch. Now single crochet into the next one, and then 2 single crochets together again. So grab the yarn 1 and grab the yarn 2. Single crochet in next, and 2 single crochets together in next 2. 1 and 2. Single crochet in next, then 2 single crochets together. 1 and 2. Single crochet in next, then 2 single crochets together in next 2. 1 and 2, and now I've got 1, 2, 3, so we can work single crochet in next, then 2 single crochets together again, 1 and 2, and now exactly into the last single crochet we are going to work 5 single crochets in 1 stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now 1 single crochet in next, so which one is the first, very clear, and then we have to repeat 2 single crochets together in next 2. 1 and 2. 1 single crochet in next, then 2 single crochets together in next 2. So 1 and 2. 1 single crochet in next, then 2 single crochets together in next 2. 1 and 2. Single crochet in next, then 2 single crochets together. 1 and 2. Single crochet in next, then 2 single crochets together. 1 and 2. Single crochet in next, then 2 single crochets together, and basically we should have our 1 more stitch with normal single crochet, Then at the very end, so into the same stitch as we've done our first single crochet, you have to add next 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then we have to work slip stitch into the first single crochet which is visible very clearly, so we don't have to go back and have a look which was exactly the first. It doesn't really matter. So slip stitch. So as you can see how our number 3 looks like. So pretty much like number 3. And now we've got one more round to do. So basically the same as we've done in our previous projects. We are going to work one slip stitch all the way around in each single crochet. So through each single crochet we have to work slip stitch all the way around. So at the end we should work slip stitch into our first slip stitch, but again the first stitch you will be see as a slip stitch. Basically we have to work slip stitch in that stitch, and that's it. So the rest of this project you can work of course out of the camera. So for today that's it. Thank you for staying with me to the end of this tutorial. It was quite tricky, but don't worry, number 4 gonna be even more tricky than number 3. So see you in the next tutorial.